you ever noticed that most AI video generators can create amazing looking clips, but they're usually just 10 or 15 seconds long? Then you're left writing scripts, editing scenes, adding captions, syncing voiceovers, and trying to turn those clips into an actual advertisement. But what if there was an AI that didn't just generate videos? What if it could actually handle most of the creative process for you? Imagine describing your idea in a simple chat, turning successful ad concepts into something uniquely yours, and even getting access to proven ad formats whenever you need inspiration. Today, I'm testing Tagshop AI to see if it can actually deliver on that promise, and whether it can help create complete AI UGC ads in just a few minutes. Welcome back, everyone. If you're new here, this channel is all about discovering AI tools that actually save time and improve your workflow. Today, we're looking at Tagshop AI, a platform designed for marketers, DTC brands, agencies and dropshippers who want to create professional AI UGC ads without hiring creators, filming content, or spending hours editing. Instead of juggling multiple tools and services, Tagshop AI brings the entire production process from idea to finished ad into one workflow, helping you save weeks of production time and the kind of budget you'd normally spend on creators, editors, and video production. By the end of this video, you'll see how it can turn a simple conversation into a complete video ad, recreate the style of high-performing ads for your own brand with Ad Clone, and help you get started faster with ready-to-use viral ad templates. We'll also see what makes it different from other AI video generators and whether it's worth adding to your toolkit. Let's jump in.
The feature that impressed me the most is the AI video agent. Unlike traditional AI video generators, you don't start with a complicated editor. You simply start a conversation. For this demo, I'll create an advertisement for a smart water bottle. I describe the product, the audience, and the goal. Instead of immediately generating random scenes, the AI starts asking useful questions. Who's the target audience? What makes the product unique? What's the tone of the advertisement? This step only takes a minute, but it helps the AI understand exactly what you're trying to create. Once I answer everything, the platform generates a complete storyboard. I can review every scene before spending credits generating the video. That's something I really like, because if I want to change the direction, I can do it now instead of starting over later. After approving the storyboard, the AI begins creating each scene. Instead of producing disconnected clips, everything follows the approved structure. As the scenes finish, Tagshop AI automatically combines the visuals, captions, voiceover, and transitions into one advertisement. Watching the project come together is surprisingly satisfying because you're seeing an actual marketing video take shape instead of just individual clips. Another thing I appreciate is that if something isn't quite right, you don't have to rebuild everything. You can simply tell the AI to rewrite the script, change the tone, replace a scene, or improve the hook. It feels much more like working with a creative assistant than using editing software. And for anyone creating multiple ads every month, that could save a huge amount of time. The next feature I wanted to test is Ad Clone. If you've ever seen a great ad on TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook and thought, I wish I could make something like that for my own product, this feature is built exactly for that. Normally, recreating that style means studying the pacing, writing a new script, rebuilding every scene, and editing everything manually. With Tagshop AI, the process is much simpler. And the platform analyzes its overall structure, pacing, and creative style. The important part is that it doesn't copy the original ad. Instead, it helps recreate a similar format using your own product, branding, and messaging. I replace the original product with mine, adjust the messaging, and choose the tone I want. A few moments later, the AI generates a brand new advertisement inspired by the original creative style, but customized for my business. For marketers constantly testing new creatives, this is a much faster way to experiment with different advertising styles without starting from scratch every time. Another feature I think beginners will really appreciate is inspirations. Sometimes the hardest part of creating an ad isn't editing, it's coming up with the idea. Instead of staring at a blank page, Tagshop AI gives you access to 200+ ready-made advertising templates based on proven marketing concepts. I'll choose one that fits my product. Then I simply replace the product images, update the messaging, and let the AI generate a customized version. It's a great way to get started faster while still making the final advertisement completely your own. After testing the platform, I think Tagshop AI is a great fit for several types of users. If you run an e-commerce store or you're a dropshipper, it makes producing fresh product ads much easier. If you're a marketer, it helps you generate multiple ad variations quickly for testing. If you're an agency, it reduces repetitive production work across different clients. And if you're just getting started with AI-generated UGC, the chat-based workflow makes the platform easy to use, even without advanced editing skills. After spending time with Tagshop AI, what impressed me most isn't just the AI video generation, it's how the entire workflow is connected. Instead of jumping between different tools for scripting, video generation, editing, and voiceovers, everything happens in one place. Features like the AI video agent, ad clone, and inspirations are all designed to reduce the manual work involved in creating marketing videos. Of course, you'll still want to review the final output and make sure it matches your brand, but the platform gives you an incredibly strong starting point in just a fraction of the time. If creating AI UGC ads is part of your workflow, Tagshop AI is definitely worth checking out. If you'd like to try Tagshop AI for yourself, I've left the official link in the description below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which AI tool you'd like me to test next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.